Hey folks, today we're gonna prepare for Consensus Toronto. First step, buy the ticket. I don't know how big of the event is gonna be, so I don't know if there's gonna be enough side events that you can suffice on. Get the main ticket, get yourself in the side events. Second, watch my event webinar preparation. It's 70 minutes of free concentrated value on how to prepare for events before the event happens, what to do during the event, and how to navigate after the event stadium. Three things will help you get your event experience from A to Z to make sure that this is going to be the event where you bring in the most amount of leads that you ever did in your life. Third thing, use and reach to scale your outreach. We already have a ton of people that are coming to Consensus Toronto. It's a very limited but also high quality group of people. So please make sure to send them a message to make sure that you're going to meet them, that you're going to be in person. This is how you're going to justify the ROI for going to Toronto. I don't know how big is the conference going to be. So make sure that you're going to be meeting these high quality people for sure and not hoping in random that you're going to meet them in the side event. And then the fourth thing is joining different Consensus communities, like a few of the links that I provided here. Just go put them in Telegram, you're gonna see them, and I'm gonna leave these details below in the description. Last one, optional, I'm also attending conference in Toronto. This is my home conference, I'm located near here, and it's gonna be a very fun one. So drop me a DM at Nick Mellon if you want to talk about something or you want to meet up. Maybe we're gonna think about something that we're gonna do for the Web3 Sales Gym, depending on the attendance, but that's basically it. All links in description. Web3 Sales Gym Telegram community, join it if you didn't. If you are not subscribed, I don't know what are you doing in your life. It's a great channel, it's a great video, great knowledge. I mean, come on, it's free. And the last thing, if you want to get in touch with me, again, you have my contact here and all the links are going to be in the description. See you guys, bye-bye.